I actually did a video about burnout, and that is really real. And a lot of people say, well, burnout is not that real. They've probably never experienced it, and so because you haven't experienced it, you can't really speak on it. I can speak on it. I've lived it, where you can get so burnt out, and then your thinking becomes foggy. The things you used to do, you don't do anymore. The self-care that you used to do, you stop doing, because your mind is so cluttered with everything else that's going on around you and inside your mind, that you forget that you need to be able to create that balance of having healthy boundaries. One of my friends would say, "Hey, there's a line, and after that point, when you cross that line, there's no more for you and I to talk about. From here on out, it's complete silence. It's complete rejection. I don't have time to deal with people that won't take the time to allow me to be the best version of myself." Let's move on to point number 7. What you really don't understand is the long-term implications of this.